Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele. Global space debris monitoring and removal market, driven by the exponential growth of mega-constellations in low Earth orbit. The global space debris monitoring and removal market is a specialized sector within the aerospace industry dedicated to tracking, cataloging, avoiding, and physically removing human-made debris orbiting Earth. Protects operating satellites, space stations, and human missions from collisions with orbital junk. As orbits clog, satellite operators and insurers face catastrophic financial risk. This dynamic is creating a lucrative industry built on preserving space infrastructure and maintaining orbital continuity. The space debris removal market, a market transitioning from a regulatory body into highly profitable multi-billion-dollar asset protection market, is an emerging sector. Presently, the global space debris monitoring and removal market is valued at $1.2 billion in 2026. Global space debris monitoring and removal market segmentation matrix includes service type, orbit type, technology, end user, and debris size. The focus points are as follows: market dynamics and segmentation matrix, core market drivers, competitive landscape and key players, and regional landscape. Market dynamics and segmentation matrix. The global space debris monitoring and removal market is experiencing strong growth. The market is expanding at a steady compound annual growth rate. An artist rendering of an altered docking with the satellite, which could be in LEO or GEO, is shown in this picture. The market dynamics and segments are as follows: monitoring versus removal. Space debris monitoring currently holds the majority market share due to the heavy reliance on ground-based sensors. Orbit focus. The LEO segment commands around 66% of the market. Trans-astral strap bag is illustrated in this picture. Technology. While contact-based removal methods such as robotic arms, nets, and harpoons currently dominate, non-contact techniques such as laser nudging and electrodynamic tests are forecast to see the fastest technological adoption. Regional dominance. North America leads the market. Space debris in Earth orbit is shown in this picture. Various market dynamics and segmentation matrices are shown in this picture, such as the service type, orbit type, technology, end user, and debris size. For the service type, dominant subsegment, space debris monitoring, and the fastest growing subsegment is active debris removal. With the key market dynamics involving monitoring dominates current revenue, but physical removal is accelerating due to upcoming demonstration missions. Core market drivers are ground-based sensors, high-power radars and optical telescopes, which track larger debris from Earth. Space-based sensors, satellites equipped with optical sensors to track debris and collision avoidance software. AI-driven platforms which analyze orbital data and automatically alert operators. Spent rocket bodies and other space debris is shown in this picture. Other market drivers are for active debris removal sector, deorbiting services, capture technologies, and in-orbit services. Growing threat of space debris is shown in this picture. The primary market drivers are the rise of mega-constellations. Companies are launching tens of thousands of small satellites into low Earth orbit. This massive influence exponentially increases collision risk. The Kessler Syndrome. This is a theoretical scenario where density of objects in LEO is high enough that one collision creates a cascade of more debris. Waste in space is illustrated in this picture. Other primary market drivers are strict regulations and insurance pressures. Illustration of objects in orbit is shown in this picture. Competitive landscape and key players. The market is characterized by a blend of established different giants. The commercial startups are Astroscale, ClearSpace, and they are leading the charge. Space technology sectors are illustrated in this picture. The key market players are defense and aerospace giants such as Lockheed Martin, Airbus, and Northrop Grumman, data and analytics firms such as Leo Labs, Gigantara, and Slingshot. Space economy startups by fundraising is shown in this picture. The competitive landscape and key players are also the fund satellite servicing companies such as Northrop Grumman and active debris removal pioneers as Astroscale and ClearSpace. Artist's illustration of space junk orbiting Earth is shown in this picture. The competitive landscape are traditional aerospace contractors and niche tracking and logistics. Artist's illustration of space junk is shown in this picture. Regional landscape. North America has 31 to 39% revenue share, Europe 23 to 26, Asia Pacific 18 to 22, and rest of the world less than 10%. North American market dominance is sustained by highly developed space monitoring networks, defense-backed anchor funding. The NASA provides significant revenue by procuring space situational awareness data to secure military and civil spacecraft. Artist's illustration of EMSA Astronautics' proposed Neuropolis space junk cleanup is shown in this picture. Mega-Constellation presence of dominant private companies such as Starlink, launching thousands of payloads creates massive continuous demand for automated collision avoidance. Sensor concentration. The region utilizes world's most extensive web of space radars. SSE debit mission is shown in this picture. Europe. Regulatory standards and active removal projects. Europe establishes itself as the primary testing ground for active content-based debris removal. Assess exploration of synergies between on-orbit servicing and debris removal spacecraft is shown in this picture. Public-private funding models SLAs global procurement by financing commercial vendors for first-of-their-kind cleanup missions. JAXA passive orbital debris removal demo is shown in this picture. The Asia-Pacific sector is also scaling rapidly due to surging national space budgets. Astroscale space debris removal system is shown in this picture. Indigenous asset tracking. Countries such as India and South Korea are aggressively deploying localized radar arrays and space-band sensors to reduce dependence on Western tracking telemetry. ClearSpace orbital debris removal system is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploits. You've been listening to Global Space Debris Monitoring and Removal Market, driven by the exponential growth of mega-constellations in low Earth orbit by Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele, with the focus point, market dynamics and segmentation matrix, core market drivers, competitive landscape and key players, and regional landscape. Thank you.